To get November Dump Story sticker on Instagram. First open Instagram. Now go to search option and search Adores Extra. Now click on the first profile. To get November Dump Story sticker, you can check My Story. And if you don't find the sticker on Story, then you can get it from my highlights named November Dump. Now click on Add Yours option to make your story. Now click on Layout and choose the 4 or 6 grid photo layout, according to your preference. And now go to Gallery and upload your photos one by one. Now click on Confirm and then adjust the sticker and place wherever you want. Now click on Your Story to upload your story. Now your story has been uploaded. You can also check my other highlights for more stickers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.